Hello. It's Brian and Milky. Hi, Sean.
Hey, waiting on Hurricane Michael to come.
It's hurricane. There is a hurricane happening. It's not really we don't have the whole hurricane, but we do have a little bit of it. And
We're getting the outer band.
Yeah.
We're catching just the side of it. We're not catching the big part of it.
we're not catching it yet, but soon we might. It's not much of a chance, but it's raining hard pretty much. It was raining. It's definitely raining. Let's see if I can get a little closer to outside under the rain. Try not to get the camera wet. You guys can't see. Maybe it's because the camera got wet. But hopefully it didn't. Hope not. Well, the wind sounded like it was blowing pretty hard there. Truck, a car, a garage,
A Sean,
a Sean, a bike,
a boat.
a boat, and a hurricane. And a Ryan. Yeah.
Keep going over there.
Just trying to look at this hurricane. Wow. Wow. It seems like it's raining pretty hard. Tree.
Should we make the YouTube channel video?
Yeah. I haven't made many at all, really. Wow. It's crazy. Hey. Wow. Guys, look at this. This truck is soaking wet. Wow. Yeah. Your truck is soaking.
Is it?
Yeah. It's pretty wet. Wow. It's crazy. Crazy cool. That's crazy. Comment below if you think I should get any farther into the storm. I don't know if I should or I shouldn't. It's crazy. Plane or a helicopter, whichever one that is. Wow. It's pretty crazy storm. Soaking. Wow, this is crazy. Mailbox, a Shawnee, another car, a tree, another tree, a house, 2 cars, a ground. Oh geez, okay, the camera's getting pretty soaked. Wow, it's getting soaking. Right out there. That's crazy. Wow, that is really crazy. I did not know anything. What the heck? This thing is crazy. Really crazy. Look at that boat. The boat's got some numbers on it. SN3642UHU. Oh wow, it's soaking. Wow, it's getting bad, it's getting bad, it's getting bad. It's getting bad. That rain's getting fast. And really fast. Wow. Ooh. That's crazy. It's getting pretty fast. Whew. You better be commenting if I should go close to that storm. Any closer. Because if I get any closer to this, I don't know if I'm going to get soaked. If I'm not going to get soaked. Because I think I am. I'm going to get pretty close to that rain right there. The rain should be right about there. You can see that camera full blurry. Wow. I'm not looking back. Wow. Yeah. Crazy.
Sorry, come put some pants on if you can see it.
Oh. Hi. Guys, I think that's the end of the video. Bye.